Hi, if you want to learn how to make the best hard-boiled egg, this is the channel for you. Hi, my name is Chef Ed, and I've been cooking for over a decade as a professional chef, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. So today we are going to need a pot, you're going to need eggs, water, and also ice. So first you're going to put the eggs in the pot. You're gonna fill the pot with water. So you want the water over the eggs, so it submerges the eggs. And next we're gonna put it on and heat it up. So we're gonna let our eggs cook, and we're gonna let the water come to a boil. Okay, our eggs have come to a boil, and now we're going to turn off the heat and set the timer for 12 minutes. Okay, the 12 minutes is up. So what we're gonna do is pour out the hot water. Now we're gonna add cold water to our pot. Gonna add it one more time. And we're going to let it rest for 1 minute, so we could safely peel it without burning our hands. Okay, next we have a bowl of ice. We're gonna add water to it. Now we're going to peel our eggs. So you want to crack a little bit, and then you want to roll it. That's how we peel our eggs. Now there's a membrane right underneath it, and that's what you want to start peeling. It's like right underneath the shell. And once you get that, you're golden. Now we're going to add it to our ice water. Now the ice water helps stop the cooking process from inside. And also the egg whites have sulfur in it, just a little bit. And the egg yolks have a little bit of iron. So when you overcook the eggs, that's why you have that green around the egg yolks. But we didn't do that today. So the ice bath actually helps take out the sulfur from the egg yolks or the egg whites. So we're gonna let them sit for about a minute or two, and then we're gonna cut into them. Okay, it's been a minute. Now we're gonna cut open into our eggs. And you see, these are beautiful eggs. There's no green or anything. And that's how we have it. And that's how you make a perfect hard-boiled egg. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. And now it's your turn. Thank you.